Hello, how are you guys? Today I'm gonna make a heart like this. So we will start from a chart. You have got one page, make a square page, and you have to two hearts with one page. So you start with like this and cut it from here like this. Now we have two pieces. This will make two hearts. We'll put this aside because we only have to make one heart. Now you take this and turn your page slowly and carefully like this, not half till half, a little below than half. Okay, now this, and then when you have made it like this and in half, um, turn it in half like this. Edit karna. Like this, half, as it was like this, turn it into this. Now when you have done it this like this, turn the page over and then turn the page like this and the square thing like this. Now we have made this a heart. Please subscribe and paint it so that it will become beautiful. Subscribe to